Hi everyone, it's Chris here at Purely Outdoors, and today we're doing a product review video on the Vango Tuscany Air awning. So the Tuscany, as the name suggests, it's got all that Italian style and flair, as well as all the sort of Vango ruggedness and robustness that you'd expect from one of their Caravan awnings. So a lovely model. As you can see, this great bay window design that really makes it stand out, and it's really imposing on the campsite. We're going to chat through some of the exterior features now, but it's first worth mentioning the awning itself comes in two different sizes. So this is the 400, so 4 meters in width that we've got on display here. Also comes in the slightly larger 500 as well, so 5 meters in width. Both come with a depth of 325, so really spacious porch awning. So if you are looking for something that is going to be a sleeping area, or you need a lot of storage space, this really is the awning for you. We'll chat through the fabric now. So it's the Vango Weather Shield Pro fabric. So it's the most premium fabric Vango have got to offer. It's really good and sort of got loads of key features. One of them being the Color Lock Pro system, so prevents fading over time. It's got this really nice soft handle, so really nice luxurious feel, as well as all the waterproofing qualities that you'd expect. So fantastic fabric. And that's then complemented with a really good, robust AirBeam system. So it comes with a SI Pro, so single point inflation, which then distributes the air around the awning. You've also got a lovely sort of integrated AirBeam canopy on the front as well, so extra rain cover there, and loads of other key things included. So like you can see here, you've got the buckles for the storm straps. So they all come included, unlike some other brands where they're an optional extra. You also get 2 wheel arch covers included, as well as a draft skirt as well. And when we head inside, you'll see the roof liner. So you're getting a lot of accessories there included within the awning, free of charge. So it's a really good sort of thing to think about if you are in the market for an awning next year. Couple of other things to note. So you've got a 2 bag system on this. So if you are worried that it is quite a large imposing awning, you can actually split the panels and the AirBeam separately in 2 separate bags, which makes it really manageable for transporting it around the site. Definitely worth thinking about that as well. Total weight on it is about 37 kg, so it is on the heavier side, but it is what you'd expect with a really luxurious awning like this. Couple of other key points to note. So you've got the 2 side panels as well, and the front panel, so they all can be zipped out fully. Sort of, you can then choose how you want to customize, whether you want your doorway here in the center, if you then want an optional annex on the side for extra sleeping space. You've got all those options there with Vango. So again, another key point to note. We'll now head inside and chat through some of the interior features. Okay guys, so inside the Tuscany 400 now, a couple of key things to note. So Vango have patented this draft seal system. It's quite new to Caravan porch awnings. It sort of eliminates the need for poles, so it actually makes a really nice tight seal to the van itself. We'll be doing a full instructional video on that coming up shortly, so keep an eye out for that. But again, a really good, clever system there to make sure you're not getting draft into the awning itself. As we move our way round, we've got the ventilation in the top corner up there. And as you can see, we've also got the SkyTrack system. So this goes full way around the awning. It's great for hanging lights or extra storage compartments that you might need in the awning. We'll talk about now the side panels. So you've got a split entryway on the side. So again, they all come with these integrated zip curtains. But again, you've got a mesh doorway here that you can use to enter and exit the awning. And as we mentioned before, this panel can be completely zipped out. You can bolt on your sleeping tall annex as well. As we move our way round, so as you can see, you get these lovely side windows as well. With it being such a large awning, more windows the better really. Just lets that light flood in, makes it feel really nice and airy. As we move on, we've got the sort of floor to ceiling diamond clear windows at the front as well, again with the integrated curtains. So you've got a couple of options on the curtains, unlike other sort of brands in the market. So they can literally be unclipped here, and then the full window can be fully zip closed. So if you want that privacy, have it fully closed up, or if you want the half window, you've got that central zip there, and then you can roll back the curtain as well. So really nice system there from Vango. As we move our way round, so we've got the roof liner in, so that, as I said, comes as standard with the awning. It's really easy to retract it, so if you prefer this not to be here, really easy to get that rolled back. In terms of some other options, so we've got the made to measure carpet in here as well. Makes you feel extra nice and homely underfoot, a very popular accessory alongside the Tuscany. So I think in conclusion, the Tuscany 400, fantastic porch awning. If you are after space, if you're after, you know, a very adjustable awning, if you know you want a dining section, a sleeping area, but you don't want to quite go for that full awning, it's a fantastic large awning that again will last the test of time. It's got fantastic fabric, really good single point inflation system, so you know it's going to be really quick and easy to get up on site, and then get it deflated as well and packed up really quickly. So everything you come to expect, really stylish awning. We will be sharing the link on the website so you can read the full product spec, all the features as well. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and see you again next time.